Hi everybody, good to see you. In this new series, I'm going to show you a whole bunch of cute and handy stuff that you can make for your cats. You see, my cats are driving me crazy if I don't keep on giving them new things. That's why I keep coming up with new cat ideas like this cat bed. The first thing you need to do is to find a box that fits the size of your cat. My cat has put on a bit of weight recently, so maybe a bit too big. I got another one here. Then you need to glue the flaps down properly at the bottom so that the foundation is really strong for your cat. Come to think of it, it's really good to glue down the top flaps as well so that the whole box is more stable when you work at it. Next we draw on the shape of the bed. So we can start in one end. So let's say this is the top end of the bed where the pillow is. So we make a nice curve up here. Make sure the sides are equal. And we move on to the other side of the bed. Same thing, only here the curve is lower down. Then we go from this end in a smooth curve, first down and then up to the front bit of the bed. Actually, the best thing is to put the box down and then move your whole arm like this from your elbow and get a nice smooth curve. And here's a little trick to make the sides equal, that this side is exactly the same as that side. It starts with cutting this piece out. Then I take this piece, I put it exactly the same way on the other side, and then I trace off this wonderful curve. Nice! Now we can cut along all the lines around. And whoppa! Oh, we got a cat bed. Now look at those beautiful shapes. Now before we move on, let's cover up this gap between these two flaps with a piece of cardboard so that the whole foundation is a bit more solid. Now first add a few dashes of glue, stuff on a piece of cardboard, perfect fit, push it down, and it's done. And remember, click the bell. Next we add the ears, feet and tail. I have cut out the pieces here. There's our ears, and feet and tail. You see, the fun thing with loose body parts is that you can move them around. Let's say you can go for this sort of look, or this sort of look, or small ears. Same thing with the feet. You can have them close together, you can have them far apart, pointing outwards, pointing inwards. Let's start gluing them on. Let's add some glue just down here by the base. Stick them on like this. Then the feet, like this, and then I fit the tail on right here. But first I need to make a little cut. I can make a little curl so that it rests below the foot of the cat. Yeah, I think that's nice. Then a little bit of glue, a bit here, and a bit at the end of the tail. You see now, the shape really starts to look like a cat, doesn't it? Especially if I add these eyes. Well, you can put them close together, far apart, low down, high up, and get different expressions all the time. But since this is a cat bed, I want to draw a really dreamy expression in the cat's face. We start with drawing a line down the middle of the cat's face. Then the nose goes in the middle. Here comes the smile. And then the dreamy eyes. Then we paint in the lines. And when the lines are dry, we can paint on the spots. I start with drawing the outline of the white spot first. Then I switch to a dark, transparent gray, and I keep on adding the spots. One down here by the foot, another spot up here, continuing around on the cat's back, on the left foot, and inside the ears. And a white spot at the tip of the tail. Some pink toes. And a little pink nose. Oh, so cute! Whiskers. And now for the really exciting part. The bed interior decoration. And here you can go nuts with anything you have in your cupboards or your closets. Different colors, pillows, toys. But this time I'm going for a really classic, crispy white, soft bed with a little pillow and a nice, crispy, soft duvet. Perhaps a little touch of color and a fluffy little good night friend or two. Now, if you get kittens, I have a special little treat for you. A kitten beddy. Perfect for up to 6 kittens because they like to sleep close together. Oh, my cats are meowing for me again. Okay, I'm coming. In the next episode, we are gonna make a cat restaurant. Now that's gonna be tasty.